Good morning everyone, this is Leslie of Succulent Social, and today I'm just going to do a quick video featuring this Graptopetalum Purple Delight, which is really pretty. I'm gonna reset it basically. This one is about a year old, and it was back in Easter fair of last year that we actually put this all together. And this ones, the big ones right here, they were the main ones that have been planted. And what happened was they had a lot of babies in the middle, and as the big ones grow and they become taller, this one fills up the middle part, and that's how we get this beautiful thing. But then I feel that this middle ones are just perfectly round, and I want to reset them. So I'm planning to remove all these big ones and reset them and then plant them to be a different plant. Okay, that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to do a bit of a voiceover in this part because there's an ice cream van on our street, and it's doing that ice cream van music, which might not be the best background for our video. But here I am now cutting the mother parts, the big parts. I couldn't find my secateur, which is annoying, but I'm using this regular scissors right now. What I'm actually doing is just trying to cut a little bit of the stem and snapping them. I think it's just easier that way. And what a beauty. This Graptopetalum Purple Delight is what I consider one of the most generous succulents ever. They grow easily, they grow beautifully, the color is just wonderful, and not that they give lots of babies, plus as a cutting they root easily, and if you're doing leaf propagation they also grow lots of pops. So very generous plant. And I think that's about it. I think I have cut all the ones that I wanted and we're finished. Now I have a lot of big mom plants to plant on their own little pots. Alrighty, here we are. So this is how it looks like now. What do you think? Did I make a right choice to cut them aesthetically? Well, I know I made the right choice because they're actually not giving this ones right here a chance to have some sun. So that's why I really need to cut the bigger ones. So I know I made the right choice, but aesthetically, what do you think? Yeah, I hope you like it. That's all for now. Bye.